Good morning and welcome to Alberta, Canada. Just a short video on the M6. I wanted to demonstrate the electrical so you understand that everything does work on the car. So let's have a look, shall we? Okay. Okay, mileage is 96,930. The check lights are all good. The seatbelt light does come on. Perhaps when I put it in gear, but it does work and go out. Parking brake is on. Parking brake is off. Take it out of gear. Rev it up a bit. Okay, and it's got a radio. Tape deck radio now is on. All these little gauges are working. I don't mess around with them. Not much interest. But anyway. Now, as far as, let's start with the windows. Front passenger goes down and up. Rear passenger goes down so far. As you probably know, they don't go down all the way. A little slower on the upswing. Driver's side. Down and up. Back. Down and up. The sunroof is on the back up. It's one of the positions. And then it also has the full open position, which is nice. All leather. If you don't already know, these cars, the M series, had a lot of leather. And now the seats, passenger seat. A little bit noisy, but working. Back and forth. And tilts quite nicely, kind of cool. Again, kind of noisy, but quiet on that. This thing back here, pumping out some air, feels quite cool actually. Fan speed and aircon, so that's an additional aircon. And the dash hazard lights working. Window defogger works, I am assuming. Never used it, but it's coming on light. Air conditioning is on, and there's cool air coming out of there. So there you go. Maybe it could be colder, I don't know. The lights, okay, we've got dash lights and headlights. Headlights, as you can see, are on. Dash lights do get a bit, they're not terribly bright. And fog lights are on. Signal lights working. Signal lights working. Have a little look outside with the fog lights on. Both fog lights working. Headlights working. High beams working. And when they come on, the fog lights go down. So that's the way that works. Lights. Tail lights working. One side marker light out. Also here too. Maybe there's, no. Yeah, okay, so the side marker lights. This one's on. Okay, that's something that's noted. Other than that, let's have a look at the engine. You probably want to have a quick look at that. No smoke. A little bit of condensation, but no smoke. A little bit of water, yeah, condensation. It was raining last night. But I had the car covered. Okay, so I guess that's about it. The heat gauge, you'll notice, is it's almost halfway. It tends to warm up quickly, but as soon as you start driving, it does drop down a little bit to about the I don't know, 1/4% or a quarter. Other than that, I only use high-grade gasoline, 91 at minimum, 94 if is usually what I put in it, and that's about it. Non-smoker. What else can I say? Enjoy your day. I'm going out for a drive. Thanks a lot for your interest. Bye for now.